Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to create a resource location. Okay, so before we install Cloud Connector software on Cloud Connector servers, we need to create a resource location. So in order to create a resource location, you need to log into Citrix Cloud Console. Once you log into Citrix Cloud Console, you click on this edit or add new. So once you click on it, you see resource location here. I have already created a resource location. So the name of my resource location is my resource location. So if you want to create a resource location, you just need to click on plus symbol here and you need to type the name of your resource location. It can be any user friendly name you can give and you can save it. Once you save it, the resource location will be created. So it is very easy step. So once the resource location is created, you can you know add cloud connectors. You can add cloud connectors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into the cloud connector machines and I'm going to download and install cloud connector software. So let me go to cloud connector 1. So this is cloud connector 1. Okay, so let me close this. Let me open Google Chrome. Okay, I will log into my Citrix Cloud Console. So please give your username and password. So once you give your username and password, click sign in. It is going to ask a 6-digit code. Yes, it is asking a 6-digit code. I'm going to type the code from the Authenticator app on your phone. Click verify. Let's see how it goes. Okay, uh, we could log in successfully. Let me go to Cloud Connector 2. We'll follow the same thing. Citrix Cloud login. Okay, so let me log into the console here as well. Okay, please give your username and password. Click sign in and give the 6-digit code here as well. Okay. Click verify. Okay, so we logged into Cloud Console on Cloud Connector 1 and we are trying to log into the Cloud Console on the Cloud Connector 2. Okay, now we need to download and install Cloud Connector software. So we have installed Windows Server 2016. Everything is ready. Configuration is done. Now we need to install Cloud Connector software. So what you need to do is you need to click on this. So once you click on this, okay, you see your resource location. So click on Cloud Connectors here. Once you click on Cloud Connectors, okay, it is saying add a cloud connector. The cloud connector serves as a channel that authenticates and encrypts all communication between Citrix Cloud and your resources. So this cloud connector, it is going to authenticate and encrypt all the communication between Citrix Cloud and your resource location. Your resource location could be on-prem or it could be on cloud. So click on download to download the software. So it is 19 MB. So in the meanwhile, I am also going to do the same thing on my second cloud connector machine. Click on cloud connectors. click on download. So every environment should have at least two cloud connectors. If you have only one cloud connector, if that goes down, it will affect the environment. Users will not be able to connect to the applications or desktops or any other resources. So we need to have at least two cloud connectors. If one goes down, the other one will take over to serve the traffic. Okay, so if you see here, it has been downloaded successfully. Let me go to show in folder. Let me right click on it and I'm going to run it as administrator. Okay, I'm going to run this software as administrator. So it is trying to connect to the Citrix Cloud now. So we are trying to integrate cloud connectors with the Citrix Cloud environment. So let me do the same thing on the second machine as well. Go to show all, show in folder, right click on it, run as administrator. Okay, it says connectivity test successful. Okay, connectivity test successful. So before we proceed further, we can do a couple of things actually. Let me minimize this. Okay, if you see here, the prerequisites for cloud connector is, you need to set the server clock to UTC time. UTC time. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to change the time to UTC. Okay, I'm going to maximize this. I'm going to look for UTC here. Let me go up. Okay, this is the one UTC. So I'm going to select it. Okay, I'm going to select it. Okay, it is set. Let's do the same thing on the second machine as well. Go to adjust time, date and time. Okay, UTC. I'm going to select this. Okay, so we have selected the right time zone according to the prerequisites. I'm going to cancel this. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to cancel this. Okay, I'm going to sign in and install now. I'm going to sign in and install. Okay, it is asking for the credentials. I'm going to give my credentials. Click on sign in. Okay, it is asking for the 6-digit code. I'm going to type my 6-digit code. Click on verify. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the second machine as well. Click on sign in and install. Click OK. Type my username and password. Click on sign in and type the code here. Click on verify. Now these cloud connector machines, okay, these cloud connector machines are trying to connect to the Citrix Cloud. Okay, these two machines are connecting to the Citrix Cloud environment now. These on-prem machines are trying to connect to the, so see, if you see here, it says registering Citrix Cloud Services Agent Logger. So it is registering with Citrix Cloud. Okay, it says it is testing service connectivity. Okay, it says installation was successful. Click close. I'm going to close. Okay, it is testing service connectivity. So if everything goes well, these two cloud connector machines will be registered with Citrix Cloud environment. Once they are registered, all the applications or virtual desktops or any Citrix applications, they can communicate through this cloud connectors to the Citrix Cloud environment. So cloud connectors need to be installed, and they need to be up and running for the resource location to communicate with the Citrix Cloud environment. Okay, it is doing testing service activity. So it is going to take a while actually. Yeah, it is going to take, yeah, it says this could take a while. Maybe it's time for a coffee break. Okay, this could take a while. Maybe it's time for a coffee break. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video. Once the testing is done, I'm going to come back to you. So what is happening is now from Citrix Cloud, it is going to push all the updates to these two machines. Oh, you're trying to connect to the Citrix Cloud environment. Okay, do you have Cloud Connector updates installed? So it is going to push all the software from the Citrix Cloud to these Cloud Connector machines over the internet. Once these updates are installed, then it says, okay, now you have necessary software installed. Now you can be the Cloud Connector. So it is in the process of registering with it is in the process of registering with Citrix Cloud now. So this process is going to take a few minutes. So I'm going to pause this and I'm going to come back to you in some time. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll catch you soon. Bye bye.